Now students, after studying about atomic mass, we will be going to study about molecular mass and formula unit mass on page number 39. Students, first of all, molecular mass. Now students, we know that a molecule is a group of atoms which are chemically combined together. Therefore, the molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is therefore the relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass unit. For example, calculate the molecular mass of water, that is H2O. Now students, first of all, identify the elements that consist the molecule. In this case, water is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. And in water, there are two atoms of hydrogen and only one atom of oxygen that is present. And we already know that atomic mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1U, and similarly atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. That means mass of one atom of H is 1 and mass of one atom of oxygen is 16. Now we have to calculate the molecular mass of water. Now students, in this case the molecular mass of water will be equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, because there are two hydrogens that constitute water molecule, plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. That means 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, that means 2 plus 16 is equal to 18U. Let's take another example. Now we have to calculate the molecular mass of ethanol, that is C2H5OH. Now students, in ethanol there are two atoms of carbon, 6 atoms of hydrogen and only one atom of oxygen. And atomic masses of carbon is 12, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 16U respectively. Now since C2H5OH is made up of two carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and only one oxygen atom, therefore molecular mass of ethanol will be equal to 2 into atomic mass of carbon plus 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. And on substituting the values, molecular mass of ethanol comes out to be 46U. So students, in this way we can calculate mass of any molecular compound. Next topic is formula unit mass. Students, formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a formula unit of a compound, and it is calculated in the same manner as we calculate the molecular mass. The only difference is that we use the word formula unit for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. That means when we are having an ionic compound, then we use the term formula unit mass. Now consider one example. Calculate the formula unit mass of sodium oxide, and we know that the chemical formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Now students, formula unit mass of sodium oxide will be calculated in the same manner as the molecular mass. So in this case there are two atoms of sodium and one atom of oxygen. Therefore formula unit mass will be equal to 2 into atomic mass of sodium plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. And on substituting the values of atomic masses of sodium, that is 23, and atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16, the formula unit mass comes out to be 62U. So in short students, we can say that we use the term molecular mass for covalent compounds, that means the compounds which are formed between non-metals, whereas we use the term formula unit mass for ionic compounds which are formed between ions or a metal and a non-metal.